Next, over on pad 2, we have Ting's Hello Kitty on an H219. Another cert flight for NAR. Pad 2 is selected. Pad 2 is armed. We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Straight up. It's straight up there. Arcing over, we got an event. It's right above us. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh.
Right here at the edge of the white.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's coming in the blue.
It's going to be a walk.
No, it's not. Maybe it's not.
Hello, Keith.
Alright, pads are open.
Okay, and I think we got one flight left, the cert 2, John.
Yeah, it caught something up there. Now it's coming down a little quicker, but it's going to be way out there.
Is that where that gate is, huh?
Yeah.
Right at the entrance.
Yeah, about there.
Maybe in the tree.
Right in the white now.
Maybe just past it. Oh, we missed it.
Nope, just right on the other side. Nice.
You're welcome. Bring it back in one.
Yay, good flight.
Thank you. Can you send a picture later?
Oh yes, absolutely.
I'll send a message.